Welcome back. Are you doing well? I hope everything is fine with you. Today we have the letter ha. Ha. It is the equivalent of the English letter H. The sound is ha. Ha. To draw ha in the isolated form, we draw an oval shape moving clockwise. Simple, right? In handwriting and some font styles, it will be more of a circle. Come on, try it on your own. And while trying it, please pronounce the sound of ha. 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 In the initial position, ha has a completely different shape. It looks like a loop inside a curve. We start with a curved line moving clockwise. Then we go left for a short segment that continues into a loop and another short segment. Please note that we draw it all in one stroke. A curved line moving clockwise, then a short segment to the left, a loop, and another short segment leading to the following letter. I think ha is a letter full of surprises. Guess what? In the middle position, it has another shape. Maybe it's only adjusting itself to be connected to a preceding letter and a following one. We draw a connecting segment coming from the previous letter and make a loop under the line moving clockwise. Then go above the line and make another loop that continues into a connecting segment leading to the following letter. This time too, we do it all in one stroke. A connecting segment, a loop under the line, another on the line, and a connecting segment. In the final position, do you think ha takes a new shape? Sure it does. We still have a loop, but on a stick, like a flag, marking the end of the word. We have a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. And from here, we go up for a vertical line. Then go down a tiny bit and make a loop. A connecting segment, a vertical line, then the loop. What an exciting letter! Let's see now how these different shapes look in actual words. In the initial position, ha changes from the isolated form to pave the way for the following letter. In the medial position, it has two connecting segments and two loops. In the final position, it transforms itself into a flag, marking the end of the word. In this example, ha took the shape of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. Sometimes when ha comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. Therefore, it takes the isolated form without a connecting segment. So, all in all, ha has 4 different shapes, depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the 4 forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of ha as you draw it. Ha, ha.